the big picture context is the most important in two things. One, there's kind of the perception that Apple hasn't been a leader for a bit, and I think this is a really good opportunity for them to come out with a really strong portfolio of new products and show everyone they still make the best stuff. Obviously, the other big thing is this campus. They've been building it for a long time, put a lot of money into it, and this is the first opportunity they're having to show it off on a big stage.
Yeah, the Steve Jobs Theater outside the spaceship. Scott, what are your expectations, given the fact that it is always an expectation game with Wall Street and Apple? The stock has had an incredible 40% run-up so far this year.
Yeah, I think what I'll be looking for is one on a functional level. I think wireless charging is probably the biggest unmet need in all of technology. We all are frustrated with that. But in addition, their ability to do what American Express did with the Black Card and sort of cement its position as the premier product with the iPhone X. I think it's just going to be interesting to see, quite frankly, how cool and sexy and aspirational it is as they move towards quadruple digits for a phone and trying to kind of cement their position as the luxury brand in tech.
Dan, do you see anything around the event, banners, signage that hints at anything that we haven't heard already that we might expect coming up in a couple hours when this kicks off?
You know, I haven't had a chance to do any spy work yet. I was just kind of escorted up to this amazing, almost like Olympic Village here for TV crews. But so I haven't had a chance to really see anything. But they shut the street down like they've done a lot of stuff for this event today. It's a big production.
Scott, your book coming out talks about these 4 powers, and correct me if I'm wrong here, basically says that Google, Amazon, Apple, and Facebook have replaced for our society God, compassion, consumerism, and sex. Apple being the sex. What does Apple have to announce to live up to that rather high bar as far as the level of excitement this thing has to deliver?
Well, the design, the functionality that makes this the ultimate signal of wealth and your likelihood of attracting a mate. This is the new luxury item. Kids aren't buying high-end watches as much. I think they're not as into cars. But this is your signal that you have good genes. This is the ultimate expression of wealth and your attractiveness. And Apple has decided, Apple moved from being the best house in the worst neighborhood tech to the best house in the best neighborhood, and that is luxury. Best margins, the decisions we make around things like luxury and being more attractive are irrational decision making. Irrational is code for high margins. And so with Apple, we have a company with the operating margins somewhere between Hermes and Ferrari with the production volumes of Toyota.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.